So this video is going to be an introduction to the binomial theorem. The binomial theorem is used to solve expressions in the form of a plus b to the n, and this is the standard form of the binomial theorem. We have n choose r times a to the n minus r times b to the r, and r is going to start from 0 and then go to n. So there's different ways of writing the notation of choose notation. So for example, we have 3 choose 2 or 3 choose 2 in this form, and mathematically speaking, if you don't have a calculator, this can also be computed as, let's say, n choose r is going to equal n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So let's do an example with this, okay? So first I want to explain how you determine the values of r. So let's say n equals 3, then r would start from 0 and then go up to 3. If n's, let's say, 5, then we would just say r equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would start with, let's say, 5 choose 0, and then we would work our way until 5 choose 5, where n is on the top and r is on the bottom. So let's do something very simple. Let's say we have 2x plus 3 to the nth power. So in this case, you could actually use the formula for expanding a cubic, but we're going to use the formula for the binomial expansion. So we start with n, which is 3, choose 0, 2x, which is a, and we have n minus r, which is 3 minus 0, and then we have 3 to the r, plus 3 choose 1, 2x to the n minus r, which is 3 minus 1, and then 3 to the r, which is 1. And then we have 3 choose 2, 2x to the 3 minus 2, and then 3 to the 2. And then we have 3 choose 3, 2x to the 3 minus 3, which is just going to become 1. This is also going to be 1. And then we have 3 to the 3. So we look at this will cancel, this will cancel. 3 choose 0 is going to be 1, so we are left with 2x to the 3, which is 8x cubed by distributing the power in. Then we have 3 choose 1. We can use this formula. We have 3 factorial over 2 factorial times 1 factorial. This is just going to be 3 times 2 factorial. So this is going to cancel, and we have 3 over 1 factorial. 1 factorial is just 1, so it's 3. So we have 8x cubed plus 3 times another 3. Okay, I'm just going to adjust the screen. Times 2x to the power of 2, which is just 4x squared. And then we have 3 choose 2, which is just going to be the same value as 3 choose 1, because the value of r factorial and n minus r factorial are going to be reversed. So we're going to have a 3 times 2x to the first power, so it's going to be 2x times 9 plus, this is going to cancel, so we have minus 27. So to simplify this, we have 8x cubed plus 4 times 3, which is 1236x squared, plus 6 times 9, 54x minus 27. And that's going to be our final simplified expansion of 2x plus 3 to the third power. And for the introductory video, that's going to be it for now. I'll be posting another video explaining how to find a specific term, for example, the constant term, or a term with, let's say, x squared, or like x to the 15th, depending on how large the expansion is. And I'll be explaining whether or not a term can actually be found in the expansion of an expression in the form of a plus b to the n. And I'll be explaining some more details involving the binomial theorem and its applications. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope to see you next time.